Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now I am starting this video off with a curse, a plague on all their houses. That's right, you heard me right, a plague on all their houses. So who am I sending this out to? I'm sending this out to all these chancer preachers, all these 419 pastors, all these looter apostles, etc. All these criminals with a cloak, all these people who steal in the name of the Lord. And they have one weapon and one weapon only that they use to steal from the gullible. The gun that they carry is this. I shall show you the gun right now, and here it goes. It says, "Bring ye all the tithes into the storehouse, that there may be meat in mine house, and prove me now herewith, saith the Lord of hosts." So that short verse is the weapon that the looter pastor, the criminals in the cloak, the GOs and the GEs and the armed robbers in church rooms, this is what they used to steal from you. Malachi 3:10. Malachi 3:10, bring ye all the tithes into the storehouse, that there may be meat in mine house, and prove me now herewith, saith the Lord of hosts, if I will not open you the windows of heaven and pour you out a blessing, that there shall not be room enough to receive. So that short verse right there, Malachi 3:10, is what these criminals in a cloak, these bastard pastors, are using to loot from people. And that short verse, Malachi 3:10, has bought stupendous mansions, or has built, because they do tend to build in Nigeria, not buy, has built stupendous mansions for all these crooks, brought them private jets, untold wealth, wealth that would drive our Khashoggi, all this the sort of wealth that would make your eyes pop. And who are they getting this money from? The gullible, the people who cannot feed 3 times a day, people who cannot send their children to school for reasons of school fees, people whose wives are being farmed out because and they're looking the other way for economic reasons. These are the people who go to these churches looking for a miracle cure to the problems that overwhelm their lives, and as soon as they get there, they're confronted with a gun to their face by way of this Malachi 3:10, and with the very little that is left in their pocket is empty via Malachi 3:10, so that the crook at the top can buy another jet, and these guys can go home a lot poorer than when they came into that church. So again, I say, a plague on all their houses, a plague on all their houses. Kó bàjẹ́ fún wọn, ó lè.